Here's a reminder that your friends and family, they don't owe you nothing. They don't owe you support. They don't owe you nothing. Okay, first of all, they're probably concerned with their own shit going on. They're not worried about you and your goofy ass TikTok videos or whatever. Don't matter. And even if they do think your videos are stupid or goofy or whatever the fuck, who cares? Who cares? I'm not in the family and friends business. Okay? I'm concerned with getting my name out there, making sure contractors know who I am, what the fuck I do, what my skills are. I want my phone ringing nonstop. That's my goal. That's what I'm trying to do here. Okay? Everything else, spectators.